Well, okay folks, welcome back. It's been a long time since I made a video, and oddly enough today's video is going to be a huge break from what we've done before. Today's video is going to be about fairy gardens. So I need a hobby. I'm old, I'm fat, I'm bored. So I need a hobby. I found, this was laying around the house actually, a copper pot. And I found a design online I think we're gonna kind of go with a little bit, make it small. Basically, we're gonna take these. Alright, so I started with this copper pot. It's a little deep, so I had to build some spacers and whatnot. These guys don't do anything right now. So underneath here is some foam I cut out of an old computer box. I have some old wood. This would be deck wood. There's also some composite deck wood that I used, repurposed. So I have some just to build up. And then I have some foam. This was actually used for pots, plants at one time. I'll put another piece of composite here just to bring this up. I think I have to bring it up a little more. And then I have to find something to go under here because I'd really like this to sit. It sits perfect. But I need a little space underneath there. See? I don't know if this is enough. So that's kind of what I'm working on right now. And we're going to see where we go from there.